sit in a comfortable position where you can keep your mind calm. You have to interact with your soul and not with your mind. So sit in a very calm and relaxed manner, comfortably. If you're sitting, put your right leg on your left leg crossed. Keep your back straight and try and maintain that posture. However, if you're not sitting, relax in any posture you wish to. Just stay calm and relaxed. You can just keep your mind calm. Now, take deep breath in such a way that you can feel your lungs inflated with oxygen. And then, when you are breathing out, just feel a pressure on your abdomen. Every pain, everything that you are holding on, that you are suppressing, you are exhaling it out. Try and exhale out all the negativity inside you. Keep calm. Keep yourself calm. Try and enter into a calm position where you and only you and your world is there. Close your eyes and feel that there is a powerful soul inside you which guides you everywhere, that is made up of love and care. It needs love. It needs your love. It needs self-nurturing, self-love. Give that soul time just the way God gave it when He was creating it. Slowly and steadily concentrate on your breathing. And as you are concentrating on your breathing, imagine that there is a beautiful light that is coming from your forehead. You are trying to find that light and you are running after it. You're trying to see where that light is coming from, and that beautiful radiating glowing light is coming from within you. Suddenly you found a door and you are opening that door and entering in a room. This room is inside your forehead. That is your personal space where nobody in the world can enter. It's your room. From that room, you can see your whole body in a very relaxed and calm state. That body is a building. That room is your personal room. From that room, from the window, you're looking at the building. And from that room, you are so relaxed. You are so calm. You can see that your legs, your abdomen, your upper body, your neck, your hands, your mind, everything is relaxed. It has entered into a very, very relaxed state. And you are entering into a deep state of relaxation. Just see that light is spreading from your forehead to your whole body, and anywhere where negativity or bad emotion is trapped, it is healing it. That area is becoming enlightened with golden light, and you are healing yourself. With this beautiful state of healing, you are entering into a deep state of relaxation where only you and your relaxed body is there. Your whole body is healed with the light of love, and everywhere there is beautiful golden light flowing. You are surrounded by that aura and you are relaxed, calm, easy, light, just like an angel, which can easily float in the sky because it is light. Stay in this deep relaxation state and visualize all what you wish to have in your life.